If you were to see this message, encounter an improper argument in your software, don't worry. It simply means there's nothing for the software to do. If we go over to our Design tab and choose the icon to trim objects, and no matter what option we choose, we click on the Clear button, you'll see the error message appears. That simply means there is nothing for the software to do. No vectors to trim. It's nothing to worry about. You just need to have the appropriate vectors for the software to do its job. Thanks for watching. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future videos. And if you have any questions or comments, you can contact us at mm@mezalick.com. Enjoy!